David Page here with Edelbrock Group, talking to my friends at Cruising USA about some of our new products we're releasing at SEMA this year. I want to take a look here at our EZ Street EFI System. This is Edelbrock's latest throttle body injection carburetor replacement EFI system. This unit is proprietary. It's a proprietary design of ours that creates really good fuel atomization, and that's key to getting even fuel distribution throughout an engine. You can see that the fuel is injected through annular rings inside the throttle body. The throttle body contains the injectors, throttle position sensor, air temperature sensor, manifold pressure sensor, and an idle air control motor. The harness is really simple. It plugs into the ECU, it plugs into the throttle body, leaving only 4 wires that have to be connected to the vehicle. One of the most valuable features, in my opinion, of the system is our app. This app is a free download for iOS or for Android devices, so you can put it on your phone or your tablet. And this is how you go in and do the setup, go through a setup wizard. You answer a few simple questions about the engine and the application. The engine starts, runs, and then begins self-learning a custom fuel map for your engine. So unlike some devices, you're not tethered to the vehicle with a cable. This is a device with really smooth touch screen communication and navigation, really crisp, easy to view gauges and parameters that you can see right there to use for either troubleshooting or just monitoring your engine. You're going to have coolant temperature, air fuel ratio, throttle position, fuel pressure, everything you need to monitor your engine is right there on the screen. It got CAN communication, so it makes an easy sharing of data with our transmission controller or any other CAN related device. A simple plug-in. Now your other device gets throttle position, RPM, manifold pressure, engine load information, so it can do all of its functions without having to manually wire into your TPS sensor and other engine sensors. So the app is one of the most valuable features, in my opinion. It's easy to use, it's easy to navigate, it's easy to see. You're using it on a device that you keep in your pocket all the time anyway, or you can mount it on a tablet. Some people will use a windshield mount and put it on their dashboard. So now you have a digital display dash of all your engine parameters. So we're really excited about this unit. It supports up to 650 horsepower. It's easy to use. It does what you want it to do. It's easy to install. It's built by a name you can trust, Edelbrock.